Introducing the Fanttik V10 Apex Car Vacuum, a cutting-edge cleaning solution designed to revolutionize car interior maintenance. Boasting a pivoting design with 7 flexible settings and an intuitive LED display, this handheld vacuum offers unparalleled convenience and versatility. With a powerful 80,000 RPM brushless motor delivering cyclonic suction of up to 17 kilopascal, it effortlessly tackles dirt, debris, and pet hair. Equipped with multiple accessories for specialized cleaning, including a crevice tool and pet brush, it ensures thorough cleanliness in every nook and cranny. Rechargeable lithium-ion batteries provide up to 35 minutes of runtime, making them an indispensable tool for on-the-go cleaning. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Design and features. This vacuum boasts a pivoting design with 7 settings, providing optimal flexibility for thorough car cleaning. Its LED smart display indicates remaining power, suction modes, and dust dumping reminders, enhancing user convenience. The inclusion of a bright LED light facilitates maneuvering in dark environments. Number 2. Power and performance. Equipped with an 80,000 RPM brushless motor, this handheld vacuum delivers powerful cyclonic suction of up to 17 kilopascal or 9 kilopascal. The cyclonic action efficiently separates dust and debris from the filter, ensuring sustained suction power and prolonging the life of both the filter and motor. Number 3. Accessories for versatile cleaning. This vacuum comes with a range of accessories tailored for car detailing. The hard bristle brush is ideal for tough and adhesive surfaces, while the soft bristle brush is gentle on delicate surfaces like display screens. The pull-out crevice tool enables access to hard-to-reach areas, ensuring thorough cleaning. Additionally, the pet brush effectively removes pet hair from fabric surfaces. Number 4. XL Dustbowl and replacement filter. Featuring a spacious 16.9 ounces translucent bagless dirt bowl with a side door for easy debris disposal, this car vacuum enables deep cleaning without frequent emptying. Both the dirt bowl and filter are washable, with recommended cleaning every 2 to 3 months. Moreover, the vacuum comes with a replacement HEPA filter for added convenience. Number 5. Rechargeable battery and Type-C charging. Powered by 4 2,000 mAh upgraded lithium-ion batteries, this vacuum offers a fast charging time of 2.5 hours and a runtime of up to 35 minutes for daily cleaning tasks. The Type-C universal interface allows for versatile charging options, whether at home, in the car, office, or elsewhere. Number 6. Perfect gift idea. With its versatility and functionality, this vacuum makes for a thoughtful and practical gift for various occasions, including Christmas, New Year, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, birthdays, and graduations. It presents a unique and useful surprise for family, friends, and loved ones. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 5.7 inches length by 5.31 inches width by 11.97 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Fanttik V10 Apex Car Vacuum represents the epitome of efficiency and innovation in car cleaning technology. Its advanced features, including the pivoting design, LED display, and powerful motor, make it a standout choice for car owners seeking a thorough and convenient cleaning solution. With its array of accessories and long-lasting battery, it offers unparalleled versatility and performance. Whether tackling everyday messes or deep cleaning tasks, this handheld vacuum exceeds expectations. Invest in this vacuum and experience the ease and effectiveness of maintaining a pristine car interior, elevating your driving experience to new heights. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.